This afternoon partly cloudy, highs in the upper 70s. There is a 20% chance of showers. And now here is a special weather statement issued at 1:30 p.m. A line of strong thunderstorms will impact Sumter. Winds in excess.
The following message is transmitted by request of the Sumter Police Department. Residents of Sumter, lock your doors and windows immediately. There is an ongoing dangerous situation at the City Bank. At 1:32 p.m. a robbery was carried out at the City Bank. One armed woman entered the building and has stolen $457 and is now roaming around the city. Her identity is unknown at this time. If you see this woman, do not approach her as she is armed and extremely dangerous. Instead, call 911. This message is in effect until further notice.
Wow. It looks like a hurricane came through here. Look at all this damage.
Indeed, you there. You were here when this happened. What did she do?
She didn't have any guns, but she somehow shot water from her hands. I don't know how that was possible.
I see.
Do you know what she looked like?
All she was wearing was black, and she had a mask on her face. I don't know how this was possible. I mean, no human could do such a thing like that.
I see. Thank you, Mom. Come on, Sarah. We need to get this to the office now.
The following message is transmitted by order of the Sumter Police Department and the Governor of South Carolina. Residents are ordered to remain shelter in place. Here is the latest information regarding the robbery at the City Bank. There is new information regarding the woman. She was last seen in a black hoodie, black pants with a mask covering her face. This woman is extremely dangerous. She has the capability of shooting water from her hands. She is extremely dangerous and has the capability of causing major damage. If you see this woman, do not approach her. Instead, call 911. At this time, seek shelter in a basement or interior room of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, turn off all heating and cooling units, and continue to listen to any updates via radio.
Hello? This is Governor Hills. Yes. I see. The Nexus. Yes, she is shooting water from her hands. Yes. Thank you, sir. I'll let them know. Goodbye now.